Number 29, the directions are the same as 27, which is to solve and determine which is the best method. So first thing we're going to do is clean up the right hand side by moving both terms to the left. And that way we will have 0 on the right hand side. And bringing down 4x squared, combining 21 minus 6, which is going to be plus 15x. And then we have plus 14 at the end. Now that this equation is equal to 0, we can proceed to solve for the zeros of the function. Now looking at the numbers here, we can try to either factor or use the quadratic formula to solve for this equation. So let's go ahead and actually try to use 2 column to factor it first. So to get 4x squared, we can have 2x and 2x, or x and 4x, but we're going to try 2x and 2x first. And then to get 14, we can have 2 times 7, or 1 times 14. So we're going to try 2 and 7. And since the last sign is positive, we're going to add to get both of them to add to 15. So we're going to multiply 2x times 7 is 4x, 14x, and then 2x times 2 is 4x, and we are going to have 18x, which is not going to work out. So we're going to try to change the 2 columns into another combination. So let's try x times 4x, because that will also give us the 4x squared. And then let's try to keep the 2 and 7. So 2 and 7, and let's cross multiply. We have 7 times x is 7x, plus 4x times 2 is 8x, and indeed we're going to get 15x, so we're going to want this combination, x plus 2 and 4x plus 7. So the factoring will be x plus 2 times 4x plus 7. And again, we have 2 factors, so we're going to solve for them individually, set it equal to 0, and solve for 0. So subtracting 2, we have x equals negative 2 minus 7 divided by 4. So x equals negative 7 over 4. So the 2 zeros are x equals negative 2 and negative 7 fourths. And the best method in this case is factoring, or you can use the quadratic formula. End of problem.